The wig from today's install came from Unice. All the information will be in the description box below. Inside the box, they gave you a few goodies, including this gift bag. You get a really cute necklace here, and also another wig band and a couple of wig caps, and then also you get a dust bag for your wig. So this is a 24-inch 150 density wig that comes with pre-cut lace. And also this is HD lace, as you can see the inside here. It comes with 2 combs on the sides, an elastic band, as well as the comb at the back here that you can see, and then it also comes with the 2 adjustable straps and the lace at the bottom. And this is just a better view of the wig. Like I said, this is a glueless wig with HD lace, so you can tell they already like bleached the knots. You don't have to do anything to this, and yeah, this is already like ready to install out the box. So my hair is already prepped and freshly washed finally, and I just braided my hair going straight back, and now I'm just taking my bobby pins and pinning them up so that they don't hang from underneath the wig. Next, I'm taking the sheer wig cap that came with the wig, and I'm just going to use it to cover my hair. Now, wig caps for these installs are honestly completely optional. Really, wig caps are always completely optional, but I just like to do it to cover and protect my hair. So I'm going to put it on, and I'm just going to use some makeup to color the wig cap. Now, as you can see, this one ran out and it's completely dry. Like, I can't scrape the corners or nothing. So I resorted to taking my lace tint, and I just sprayed the wig cap with that instead, and it worked out pretty well. So I know that I usually used to take my elastic bands off, but I decided to keep this one on. So now I'm just adjusting it so that it'll fit snug around my head, and now I'm cutting off the lace on the back of the wig. And now I'm just going to throw the wig on my head and make sure everything fits right. I'm just adjusting the clips. Like I showed you earlier, it came with 3 clips inside the wig, so I just used the one on the back first, but then later I decided to put the ones on the side just to make it more sturdy. But it has that elastic band in the back, so this wig ain't going nowhere. So I did a little demonstration for you all just to show you, like, this wig really ain't going nowhere. Now if someone snatch it real hard, it's gonna go. But I mean, for the most part, under normal use, normal wear and tear, this wig isn't gonna fly away. Next, I'm just taking my razor and I'm cutting off the lace. What I love about this wig is that the lace is super easy to cut, especially since it's like a closure. You don't have to worry about cutting off 13 inches of lace. Like, this is literally only 5 inches of lace, and because the wig fits so snug on your head, the lace lays flatter, and it just makes it easier to cut. So this is what the lace looks like right after cutting. I didn't put any makeup on here or anything. Like, this is it without being prepped. So honestly, that's it for the installation process. So the only thing left is to actually style the wig. I really love how thick and long this hair is, so I decided just to keep it straight. Like, I wanted to flat iron it. I didn't want to put any curls in it, so I'm just doing a couple passes through with my flat iron. Another thing that I like about this hair is that this hair is super easy to straighten. I don't know if y'all ever had like hair before that is just like, no matter how many passes you did with the flat iron and using the chase method, like, it wouldn't get straight. This hair, I didn't even need to use the comb, honestly. I just took my flat iron and it was immediately bone straight. Love that for me. So I just want to give you a heads up that in the next clip I'm wearing a different shirt, and that's because, like, I realized this brown and this black was clashing and you couldn't really see the hair, and I wanted you to see it well, so I put on a lighter shirt. Now I'm just taking my edge booster, which is my wax stick, and I'm just flattening out the top a little bit with my wax stick and my hot comb. It was just a little lumpy and my flat iron couldn't get all the way towards the top, so I just like to do this to get the areas that my flat iron misses. So I decided that I actually didn't want to do baby hairs for this wig. Surprise, surprise, my first time not doing baby hairs, but I'm just taking my makeup and making sure that the lace blends with my forehead. And then I'm going to take my concealer and define my part. To give my hair an extra boost of shine, I'm using this shine spray from Fuji, and I'm spraying it very lightly on this hair because honestly 2 sprays made it really greasy. And so now I'm brushing it through, and then I went back behind it with my flat iron to kind of like blend this spray with my hair. Do not use a lot of this spray at all. Literally only a little bit is needed. I may even like spray some like 1 spray into the palm of your hands and just rub it through the hair, because it can make the hair look greasy and heavy. If you use a ton of it, a little bit goes a long way. But yeah, that is it for this install. It is literally that simple. This is probably one of the easiest wigs that I ever installed, only because like I didn't have to do anything with styling. Like I didn't put any curls or anything in it. I flat ironed it, so that made it like super simple. But besides that, this wig is awesome. Like the knots are already bleached, the lace is transparent, the lace is already cut for you. You can wear it glueless like this. As you can see, like I'm sticking my comb underneath it, and I don't have any glue, any gel. I don't even have any baby hairs, and y'all know I love to wear my baby hairs. Like I never do a wig without baby hairs, but with this one I was able to. I think the lace being transparent and also the wig fitting correctly really helped me to be able to wear this without any product. And also this wig is very thick and shiny. The density is 150 density for the pre-cut lace wigs, but if you want like any of their other wigs, they go up to I think like 250 density, but this one is 150, which is still really good. Also the shine on this hair is like immaculate. I did spray like of course my product on there to make it shinier, but even without that it was already really shiny and full, and the ends were healthy. Also, I didn't have any issues with tangling or of course like shedding or anything like that. This wig you can definitely slide on in like 30 seconds and go. Like once you style it the first time, that's all you need to do. But anyways, all the information for this hair is in the description box below. Adios, till next time.